Picture this, you're sitting outside the ICU. Inside, someone you love is fighting for their life. But all you can think about is money. Money for the bills piling up, money for medicines that seem endlessly expensive, money you simply don't have. In India, this is not just a scenario, it's reality for millions. A staggering 71% of Indians bear healthcare expenses out of their own pockets. Public hospitals are overstretched, private hospitals are unaffordable, and health insurance often doesn't cover the costs. India has one of the highest medical inflation rates in Asia, at 14%. This means the cost of saving a life is rising faster than most can afford. This is a healthcare system stretched to its limits. But how did we get here? And why are so many of us just one hospital visit away from financial ruin? For Chandan, the nightmare began 3 years ago. His father was diagnosed with cancer, and the treatment costs were astronomical. But the complications that followed were worse, both for his father's health and the family's finances. Chandan sold his house. He pawned his mother's jewelry. He took loans from friends, family, and even moneylenders. But it still wasn't enough. We thought we were prepared with insurance. But it didn't even cover half the expenses. We lost everything. Today, Chandan struggles to provide for his family. What was once a middle-class household now teeters on the edge of poverty. Chandan's story is not unique. It's the reality for millions of Indians caught in a healthcare system that offers little financial protection when it's needed most. Chandan's plight is a symptom of a much larger crisis. India's healthcare system is riddled with challenges, and the numbers paint a grim picture. Here's an alarming truth. In India, a simple visit to a general physician can cost 300 rupees. Need to see a specialist? That's 1000 rupees. And mental health services? A staggering 2500 rupees. For millions of families, these numbers aren't just daunting, they're devastating. Between 2018 and 2024, healthcare spending grew by 140%, now at 5.85 lakh crore rupees or 1.9% of our GDP. Yet, medical inflation in 2021 hit 14%, the highest in Asia. Compare that to China's 12% or Indonesia's 10%. These numbers show a reality that hits close to home. Every medical emergency threatens financial ruin. The crisis doesn't end there. Nearly 400 million Indians belong to the missing middle, a group that earns too much to qualify for government healthcare but too little to afford private insurance. For those lucky enough to have insurance, the struggle continues. Over 52% of policyholders saw premiums rise by 25% in just 1 year, and 43% who filed claims faced hurdles in processing. For those who do have insurance, high GST on premiums at 18% makes policies unaffordable. In contrast, many countries either exempt insurance from taxes or levy a nominal rate. The burden is crushing. For over 90 million Indians, healthcare costs exceed 10% of their total income. And here's another shocking fact. Young employees, aged 20 to 30, are half as likely to have employer-sponsored insurance compared to their older counterparts. The missing middle, families like Chandan's, are left vulnerable, caught between rising costs and insufficient coverage. Even those who manage to secure insurance face hurdles at every step. Claims are delayed, policies have hidden exclusions, and premiums skyrocket by over 25% in a single year. A recent survey revealed that 43% of policyholders struggled to process claims in the past 3 years. The reasons? Ambiguous clauses, technical jargon, and outright rejections. But it's not just the claims process. Premium hikes are adding to the financial burden. In some cases, families are forced to drop their policies altogether, leaving them even more exposed to risks. The system, designed to protect people, often ends up failing them when they need it most. The challenges are immense, but solutions exist. Experts suggest several measures that can make healthcare more accessible and affordable. Reducing GST on insurance premiums from 18% to 5% could encourage more people to invest in health coverage. Expanding employer-sponsored insurance, especially for younger employees, can also make a difference. Strengthening public healthcare is crucial. Increased government spending can reduce reliance on private hospitals and lower out-of-pocket costs. Streamlining the claims process with transparent policies and faster approvals can rebuild trust in the system. Together, these measures can create a system that supports, rather than burdens, families during medical emergencies. Healthcare isn't just about treating illnesses. It's about saving lives, protecting dreams, and securing futures. India stands at a critical juncture. By addressing these challenges, we can build a system where no family has to face the hardships of Chandans. Together, we can ensure that every Indian, regardless of their circumstances, has access to affordable, quality healthcare. The journey is long, but hope is within reach if we act now.